Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if your touchscreen is not working properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. You want to expand the human interface devices section, and you want to make sure that none of the devices listed under here are disabled. So if they were, you would see a little circle next to it, and there'd be a downward arrow. You want to go ahead and just right click on it and enable that device. And again, for any devices listed underneath human interface devices, you'd want to do that for. Something else you would also want to take a look at as well, if you want to close out of here. Open up the search menu, type in control panel. Best match should come back with control panel, so go ahead and open that up. And you want to select your view by to category view and select hardware and sound. If you're on a tablet computer, there'd be an option here for tablet PC settings. And then there'd be a little pop-up and there'd be an option to reset. So underneath details, it would say reset. There'd be a reset button. Go ahead and select the reset button, and then hopefully, again, that could have resolved the problem. You can also attempt the system restore. And then also you may have to consider there might be an issue with the monitor itself. It could be physically damaged, in which case a software-based tutorial will not work for you. You may have to take it in for repairs. So pretty straightforward process. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.